Alright, next up is designing the wheels. So the wheels I have here are a little bit customized with rims and a little bit of coloring to them. But I'm just going to walk through and show you how to design the base wheels, and then it's going to be your job to customize them and make them your own. So the base wheels you want are going to look something like this. Just a wheel on each side, a little bit of a round on the tire, and an axle going across. So it looks like we have an axle that has a diameter of 7.5, and it has an outer. Our wheel has a diameter of 25 and a thickness of 10. So these should be pretty easy to create. Again, you can create these a couple different ways. You could draw 3 cylinders, for example, or you could draw one kind of half dumbbell shape, revolve it all the way around. Again, the revolve feature, you can do it in one feature instead of multiple features. So we're going to try to do that one today. But you can draw them in a lot of different ways. So let's get out of here. We can start a new drawing. We don't need that anymore. So new design. And again, I'm going to start by making a sketch. Use the, let's see, I'll use this plane. And I'm going to draw the tire as, so if you look back at our sketch, I'm going to draw kind of this part, this part, this part, and around. So there's a little bit of math in my head to figure out what size they are. And again, I'm going to use the mirror command, so I'm going to draw a couple construction lines. So I can mirror things across. Alright, so I'm going to start by drawing a line for the bottom. Start from the center, bring it over to about there. Sounds good. So this time I'm going to draw the kind of, oops, I forgot to, let's undo that. Turn off construction lines. Let's come over, and I forgot to check the dimensions, so I'm just going to draw these kind of, the rough shape of these. I think that's good. Let's see. Yeah, they seem good. So there's a rough shape of my wheel. And then again, I'm going to mirror it across. But first, I'm going to go back and check my dimensions. So let's see. It's going to go over, because I'm drawing half of it, it's going to go over 30 from here to here. It's then going to go up. So if this radius is 12.5, it's going to go over 30, up 12.5, back 10, down 12.5 minus 3.75, and then over. So let's see if we can do that. So I'm just dimension these. So we said the height of this. This is going to be the height of my big wheel. So this is going to be 12.5. From here to here is going to be the height of my axle. Let's put this here. That's going to be 3.75. The width here is actually 10, so I'm going to keep it 10. That's what it's supposed to be. And this total length down here is going to be 30. So that seems good right there. And now I can do my sketch mirror. Select all of these with shift. Not the construction line. And mirror them across this. That looks good. I can stop my sketch. And now I'm going to, instead of doing a extrude, I'm going to do a revolve. I'm going to revolve this shape. Revolve around this center line, and there are my wheels. So I can fish done there. And now my last step is just going to be to do some fillets. I use F. I want to fillet the outside of these wheels. And let's see, I think it was a inch round, so I'll put in, or not an inch, but a millimeter. Put in 1. Hit OK. And my wheels are done. And now the back wheels, the ones I had, were a little bit thicker. So all you can do there is you can actually do the exact same process. Just make that one dimension from the inside to the outside of the wheel a little bit bigger, and you'll have different size back wheels.